Hi, my name's Dominic Chapman and I'm chef proprietor at the Beehive, White Waltham. Today I'm going to cook a minestrone soup. I think this dish works really, really well with a really great rice from Portugal, and that rice is the national rice of Portugal and it's called Ronaldo. And there's no link to the footballer, it's just the name of the rice and they tend to love it. It's a larger grain, it works really, really well. It could work as a risotto. When you cook it, it puffs up, so you can see the grain of rice in your minestrone, which works really, really well. I just like this rice, and for this dish, it's a good choice. Okay, so for my minestrone, it's fairly classic with a few twists. We've got some beautiful vegetables, and these vegetables are all diced perfectly. So I've got carrot, celery, leek, onion. I like to put a little bit of bacon in my minestrone. Later on, I'll put some curly kale and some cabbage and things like that. So lots of lovely vegetables. The key of this minestrone is this rice, Ronaldo. So that goes in as well. Basically, it's a beautiful vegetable broth, classic minestrone. Okay, what I start with, a little bit of olive oil and a knob of butter. Not too much butter because I don't want the soup to be cloudy, I want it to be clear. I add my onion, add my celery, add my bacon, sweat that down a little bit, let it kind of cook and soften. Then I add my carrot, my potatoes, the root vegetables basically, the vegetables that are going to take a little bit longer to cook. I sweat them down for about a minute. Then I add my chicken stock. Then I bring it to the simmer. I simmer my soup until the vegetables are just cooked, but not overcooked. I now turn my attention to the rice. I want my Ronaldo rice cooked perfectly. So, all this rice is going to do is go into the soup to finish it. So, to finish the soup, my rice is being cooked in the stock again, chicken stock, just gently simmered until it's just tender. I have my base soup. Base soup goes into the pan, rice goes into the pan. Bring it to the simmer, into the soup. We put some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, cut into quarters. We put our Savoy cabbage, we put our curly kale, we put some chiffonade basil and some grated parmesan. The soup is now ready to go. Okay, so you've got your lovely minestrone, which you've taken a load of care in preparing, so all the vegetables are looking great, vibrant, lovely. Spoon your soup into a lovely bowl, a large bowl so you can see all those colours. Maybe a little bit more parmesan, finished. So there we have my minestrone soup made with Portuguese Ronaldo rice.